In this video, we will walk you through a rapid diagnostic and value identification approach that shows you exactly where to focus in 30 days or less, starting with your financials, KPIs, and process flows, then drilling down to the real bottlenecks and high-confidence value opportunities. If you stick with us to the end, we will show you how your team can ensure that your next wave of improvements is unmistakably pointed at return on investment. Most operators are flying blind on where value is leaking. Our rapid diagnostic and value identification gives you a clear, data-driven view of where to focus in 30 days or less. We start with a targeted review of your financials, operations KPIs, and core process flows so we can see how money, work, and decisions actually move through your business today. That lets us connect performance gaps directly to specific processes instead of guessing based on symptoms or anecdotes. Next, we use theory of constraints and lean methods to pinpoint the true bottlenecks and constraints that are limiting throughput, driving delays, or creating rework. The goal is to separate local inefficiencies from the few critical constraints that really govern capacity, lead time, and profitability. From that analysis, we surface a short list of high-confidence value opportunities, each tied to a specific lever: throughput, margin, working capital, or risk. For each one, we estimate impact, effort, and time to value, so you can quickly see which moves are likely to pay back fastest. We then translate those opportunities into a practical, prioritized roadmap that balances quick wins with structural fixes. You walk away with a sequenced plan that your team can execute, with clear owners, milestones, and metrics. The result is a focused, evidence-based path to unlock value in your current operations without a massive transformation program. If you want your next 30 days of improvement work to be unmistakably pointed at ROI, this diagnostic is the fastest way to get there. If this framework resonates and you want to see where the value is hiding in your own operation, grab a complimentary 15-minute rapid assessment with our team. We'll take a quick look at your numbers, your constraints, and your next best moves. No fluff, no pitch deck. Just go to jrgcg.com and hit the rapid assessment link on the solutions page to pick a time that works for you. Thanks for joining us. If our rapid diagnostic and value identification approach resonated, you can learn more at jrgcg.com.